This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Heather Delamarter. Begin renting now in Ocean Pearl? Annual unfurnished rental located at 120 North White Jewel Court on the desirable beachside town of Vero Beach. This well-maintained home offers a bright, open floor plan with spacious living areas and comfortable-sized bedrooms. Situated within a gated community, residents enjoy privacy, security, and exclusive deeded beach access just moments away. The property features a functional kitchen, ample storage and inviting space ideal for coastal living. Conveniently close to shopping, dining, and everything Vero Beach has to offer. Enjoy the best of seaside living. For more information, review the details below or contact Heather Delamarter at 772-321-3056.